Okay, this is the last part, volunteering, enriching others. You help others and helping oneself. By volunteering, you can also help yourself. Okay, so now let's read. Okay, so question number 26 to 33. You're gonna have to match those section A to I. Which paragraph has that same information? Number 20, a description of what does not satisfy the criteria of volunteer work, which means that people work and they don't get paid for it, but they're not volunteering. Okay, so which paragraph has that? And number 29, the impact of volunteer work on the development of individuals. Okay, by volunteering, you can develop different skills, stuff like that. Okay, number 30, the requirements of both selflessness and self-interest in volunteers. Volunteers are usually selfless. They are trying to help the others, and at the same time, you need to help yourself. So in this paragraph, it says by helping the other, you can also help yourself. And number 31, various areas in which people volunteer. They're gonna say the areas and the field and the sectors that people volunteer, different sectors. Number 32, the benefit of voluntary work for the young, especially for the young people. And number 33, a mistaken view of volunteering. People misunderstood, people misinterpreted, or people have the what we call erroneous view on the volunteering. So which paragraph tells you about that? Okay, and here number 34 to 37's multiple choice. The ONS survey was done. So you try to find the ONS survey was done to find out what? Why people undertook volunteering, or how many people participated in volunteering, or how many rich people did volunteer work, or which people were involved in volunteering. All right, 35, the ONS survey found that people with university qualification, you try to find university qualification, where as likely to volunteer as those with no qualification equal, or more likely to volunteer than those with no qualification, less likely to volunteer than those with no qualifications, or the only group likely to do formal volunteer work. Okay. Number 36, it is suggested that the rich people volunteer as a result of having clearer goals, fewer children, more spare time, or greater guilt. And number 37, volunteer work benefits people by teaching them how to function in a system, or communicate clearly, or deal with failure, or overcome shyness. All right, the last part, sentence hop matching. Like I said, when it comes to sentence hop matching, don't read the second hop, read the first hop, identify the keyword, identify the relevant section, get the answers, and only then should you read against those options. One of the requirements of being a volunteer is being able to do what? Okay. And number 39, volunteering can be used as a way for the unemployed, jobless, unemployed people, which paragraph tells you about the unemployed people, and how can those unemployed use volunteering as a way to do what? Okay, and the employers, which paragraph tells you about the employer in general, tend to do what? Okay, that's it.